Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. I'm Weston Palmer. Let's get started. But first, a thank you to my Patreon supporters. I love the interaction and feedback. You've got a table, you've embedded a worksheet within your tooltip so that you can get a breakout by subcategory of these dollars, and things are working great until you come to the total. And then your total is showing everything. You don't want it to show everything. You want it to only show the 109,000 or not at all. So let's come over to our sales details. Here's our sales details. And what you need to do is you need to create another filter. I call this a tooltip filter. This was actually provided by Diego Martinez R. So thank you, Diego. So you'll put this tool filter, click OK. You're going to put your tool filter up. It's only going to pop up with an option of false. This is where it gets tricky. You want exclude and you want false. I'm going to show you why here in just a second. Click OK. Nothing shows up. That's fine. Now when you hover, you'll see the breakout of the 69,218. And when you come to the totals, nothing is showing, which is what you want. If you can't get anything nice, then don't show it at all. Why does it work that way? When you're doing your tooltip, you're passing through some fields, category and segment. Now when we come back to the sales details, let's take a look at that tooltip again. When you're passing over a category, if you only have one category, it's going to be whatever it is, furniture. The max and the min are going to be the same, in which case this becomes true. When you hover over the total or the grand total, it doesn't send over a category. And so your category max is going to be something different than your min. You can use max and min on string fields as well. So in this case, furniture would be the min, technology would be the max. They're not equal, so it would be false. And what we do is when we're bringing it up here is we don't want it to be false. So we're going to exclude it when it's false. And so now, because the window, it's looking at everything that you can see. And now when you hover, it will disappear. I hope you'll check out these other cool videos that I've selected for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below.